A guy with a guitar enters a busy train station and pulls out his guitar and starts to jam. While he is playing on his guitar, he gets some nice comments from people. Then suddenly a man walks up with his drum set and starts to join him.
Hey dude, is it okay if I join you?
Boy, mate, of course you can join me. Then a cop walks up to them with a grumpy face and says,
Excuse me, if you weren't aware, you're not allowed to play on the train.
Pardon me, officer, but I never knew that was against the law.
Yeah, man.
Either I issue you a ticket or get off the train now.
Let's go busk on the street instead.
Great idea, dude.
Then they head out to the streets of downtown Toronto to decide to go busk.
It's a nice windy day out.
Yeah, where should we go set up for our busk? They decide to set up their busk outside the CN Tower.
This is perfect.
The drummer places down a can that he got at the train station. Alright, let's set up.
Sure, dude. Hey, dude, what do you think of this beat on my drum?
Hey, before we play, what's your name again?
Yo, my name's Jeff.
Just show off. Then a crowd begins to form and they begin clapping. Then a security guard from the CN Tower walks up to them.
Excuse me, do you know where you are right now? You're in front of the CN Tower. You gotta leave.
You gotta be kidding me, this happened before.
Jeez, you guys are ruining our day.
Pack up and leave now.
While they're packing up, Jeff asks Greg,
Hey man, everybody's kicking us out. Where do you think we should go next?
how about that grocery store right over there? I'm sure they'll be fine with us playing. After when they arrive at the grocery store, they begin to set up.
Hey, another one of these guys. Hey, boss, I need you over here.
One of the child volunteers calls the boss for no absolute reason.
I don't even want an explanation. Just leave already.
Hey, but you don't even know why we're here.
I don't want a single word. Just leave. You're ruining my day.
You know what, Jeff? I give up. Everyone's kicking us out. I don't think we're even going to be able to play one single string.
This may sound crazy, but I saw a studio on the way here. Maybe they'll give us a chance.
They enter the studio and walk down the hall. Dude, I think it's abandoned. I don't see anybody here.
Yeah, I agree. Maybe we should find another studio.
Maybe we should just keep walking. Maybe somebody's in here and this is just the hallway. They look on the wall and see photos of famous singers that have recorded in the studios in the past. Hey, it's my favorite singer over there. Freddie Mercury. He recorded here. Damn, this studio's pretty old.
I wonder when this place opened.
Hey, look on the photos. It says 1987. I think Freddie Mercury is the first singer here.
Hey, excuse me. Have you booked an appointment?
No, but we're already here. Is it okay if we just go in?
Well, I'll have to look at my schedule, but, I'll let you guys sit right here in the waiting room. Give us a second.
Thank you, ma'am.
They sat down and waited patiently and talked about life.
Hey, where were you born?
I was born in Great Britain, and I moved here as a child. But how about you? Where were you born?
I was born here in Canada, in Edmonton to be exact. I moved here a little bit ago, not that long ago.
Thanks for waiting. You're in luck. We have a spot right after this band leaves.
Yeah, man, that was so fun.
Yeah.
Oh, I played that drum like a legend.
I played better.
Be quiet, I did. You're the worst one here.
Oh God, those guys were such a pain. Now who are you two?
Excuse me, mister. We're here for an appointment. We didn't book, but this kind lady over here said that we can stay.
Alright, yeah, of course you did. Now, you have 1 hour to impress me. What do you play?
I play guitar and my friend Jeff here plays the drum.
Oh, hello there, mister. I'm Jeff.
Oh, why so nervous, boy? Show me what you got.
Ah, he's pretty good, right?
Oh, just focus on yourself, will ya? You're good next, boy.
What do you think, studio dude?
Good job, buddy.
Oh boy, amateurs.
Well, I guess I'm next. So what do you think of us?
Well, one of you has true potential, and the other one, not so much.
Okay, but can you tell us who really has the potential? Who could it be? Jeff or Greg?
Sorry to break it to you, but it's Jeff.
Wait, are you sure this isn't a mistake?
Oh, Jeff, I have a band that is in need of a drummer.
Jeff pipes up and says,
Yes!
Are you kidding me? Jeff, you're just gonna leave me here like this?
Well, I'm not even your friend. We met like 5 minutes ago.
I wish I never met you. You're seriously just gonna leave me like this? Even though you met me 5 minutes ago? I would understand why nobody wants to be your friend.
Offense taken. Well, at least I have better friends than you.
Greg leaves the studio with an L on his forehead. Fast forward 10 years. Greg didn't really have a successful career after that. He learned how to play piano, and now he's playing piano in the middle of a luxury hotel. I wonder how Jeff is doing. What I said a few years ago was really mean. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the event you've been waiting for is finally here. Introducing Blood Moon! Give it up for your bass, Louis, your guitarist, Mark, and your drummer, Jeff!